Kitchen bringing two of Bobby Hicks' retro recipes to life: the Catawba Flip and the Cherry Lime Ricky. I mean, I like the names. I can't lie.
Did he say we could add gin if we wanted
We
to?
could, but we're not, because we didn't. We have gin today. So the first one we're going to do is the Cherry Lime Ricky, and this was a 1920s kind of reaction to Prohibition. It used to have gin in it, but during the Prohibition they stopped with the gin.
Okay.
So here's what we're supposed to do. Okay, in an ice cold glass. It's not really that cold. Let's try the bigger one. Try the bigger glass.
Sure.
I don't know. Okay, take that glass. You got one over there.
Oh yeah, I'm doing
You're
stuff.
doing,
I thought I was watching.
You got the whole thing.
All right.
Okay, so in the glass you're going to combine 2 cherries. So you have 3 cherries. Take 2 cherries.
2 cherries.
And put them in the glass.
She's got the way to move me, Cherry.
Okay, do that.
With the stems?
Yeah, according to the picture, the stems are on there. Yeah, the picture has stems.
I only need 2?
Just 2. You're going to save 1. Okay, so 2 go in there, and then this is cherry syrup. Okay, so now put the cherry syrup in there. That's nice.
Cherry syrup.
Okay, and then 1 of the lime wedges that you have in front of you go in here. Yes.
Just throw it in there.
Just throw it in there. And now it says completely fill the glass with crushed ice. That's not really very crushed, but just you've got ice here.
Okay.
We can probably be really fancy with this.
Oh,
but
tongs?
I know. Tongs.
I love the tong song.
Tong to tong, tong, tong.
It's not working.
That one?
Oh,
there you go. Okay, so fill it with ice.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be crushed, but it's still emotionally okay.
Oh.
This one is all squished up. Okay, so there. You've got it with ice, and then we're going to top it with seltzer water. So the problem with that is that I could only find sparkling water.
Isn't seltzer water where you did a
I know, but I just watch out.
Okay.
Okay, and we're put that on top. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to drink that because of that top one. Find a smaller piece of ice to put in there.
All right, there you go.
Okay, we'll put that in there.
Okay. Oh, the sparkling sounds of sparkling water.
Okay. Now, I'll do it for mine. You have a straw in front of you.
Yeah.
Okay, so grab the straw.
Got
Let's stir it around.
This looks like a Shirley Temple.
Right, it does. Stir it around, and now we're going to garnish with the remaining lime wedge and a cherry. So take you should have 1 lime wedge in there, and he just dumps it in there, okay? And then he puts the cherry on top. He does it with a skewer. I'm skewerless in Toledo, but there is our Cherry Lime Ricky.
Cherry Lime Ricky.
Cheers.
Cheers. Prost.
Oh, that's very lovely. Very summery. You could have some. You could have some gin in there.
I say it tastes like it's missing something.
I know, but I'm just saying we're not in Prohibition and it's summer and you want to add some gin, do it. Enjoy yourself. You'll only live once.
All right.
YOLO.
Oh,
okay.
Good for the kids.
The next one I'm going to do is the Catawba Flip. The reason we picked this is because it's called a Catawba grape that was very popular in the 1860s, and guess where they were grown?
Catawba Island.
Right. Eventually, Concord grapes became more popular, but Catawba grapes were very popular back in the 1860s. Okay. First thing, in a blender, here's what we want to do. You want to put a scoop of ice cream. I'll do the scoop of ice cream. Okay, so put a scoop of ice cream in there. Come on, ice cream. Give me the tongs. Maybe that'll do it. There we go. Okay. Scoop of ice cream. You've got an egg. Let's put 1 egg in here. Okay?
All right.
So just... No, we want to crack an egg in there.
Oh, you just said put the egg in. I'll put the egg in.
Crack an egg in there, you silly boy. Okay.
Did she say crack the egg?
Yes, okay. And then we're going to do a 1/4 cup of grape juice, which is in this little thing. No. Oh, yeah, that's grape juice. Yes.
Okay.
Put that in
put
there.
That right.
No, pour it in
see,
there.
we're going
Okay.
twice.
And a pinch of salt, which is right here. Okay. And let's see, we're also going to put in a little bit of ice, I think, in this one too.
More ice?
Yeah, if you've
Does
got
it matter?
ice. Yeah, no, just put that in there. Oh, golly.
Okay, maybe not that one. Okay.
And then a little bit of
slippery.
I'm going to put a little bit of water into.
I'm just trying to get the tongs.
Okay, that's great. Okay.
How many do I need?
That's fine. Fine. And I'll put a little bit of this in there, and then finally we're going to blend this thing up. Okay. So everybody stand back. We've got the immersion.
Clear.
Okay, hopefully. It's called a flip, and anything with egg in it is apparently called a flip when it comes to a drink.
Okay.
And you've got a little cute glass right there. See that empty glass?
Yep.
All right. I think we're pretty good mixed. Okay. All right, now we're going to try that.
Yeah.
Cheers to you.
Oh, cheers. Oh, thank you.
Catawba Flip. Catawba Flip, everybody. All right, when we come back, I have no idea what we're doing because I didn't read ahead.
Woo!
But there's the Catawba Flip. Thank you so much. Retro Recipes
Needs a little bit more of that.
is where this came from. Don't go away, we got pigeon fern, that's what it is. I remember now.
It starts with your first alert, preparing you for the threat. When we know